system passes under, and the shoreline pays again. The boats we have are waiting, while the surface turns to brown. And every day of silence lets the problem reach the town. There is no need for guessing, there is no need to wait. The system has been designed, the solution stands at the gate. Put the answer on the water, send the Saga boat today. Let the Saga trailers carry every heavy load away. Set the barriers in half circles, anchor deep and hold the line. Estefania, player needs you. This is your moment, this is the time. Put the answer on the water before it reaches land. Save the blue or player, save the sea, save the sand. Every 25 meters, let the anchors take their place. 1 meter deep below the surface, so nothing slips away. One trainer fills and leaves the station, one connects without delay. The Saga boat keeps moving and the work continues all day. 2 kilometers can be guarded with the right tools in command. Not another temporary measure, but a system built to stand. Put the answer on the water, let the real solution start. Send the Saga boat supplier, send the trailift, bring the heart. Set the barriers in formation, give the coastline room to shine. Estefania, hear the ocean, this is your moment, this is the time. Put the answer on the water, let the future touch the land. Save the blue player, save the sea, save the sand. The morning keeps on rising, the truth is plain to see. The answer is not on the beach, the answer is